Well, hello everybody and welcome back. It's Jenny and it's Tuesday's Daily Deal. Come on in because you know you want to know. And it's going to be a deal that's going to feed our fur babies. And if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, look below and hit that red subscription button and that notification bell. That way you won't forget and you can always unsubscribe later if you're not happy. I don't see that happening, but you can. I mean, you don't want to miss any of our deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information. Not even one time. So go ahead, subscribe. Do it now. Make sure all your notifications are on. And please, everybody, like and share the video. And don't forget to leave me that 3-word comment that YouTube wants you to have. And watch one of those ads for me. I truly appreciate it. And so do all of your creators. Make sure that when you go to somebody's channel that you do those things. It's like leaving them a tip, okay? Because technically we are giving you a service. Please tip us for it. We love you bunches for it. And it's free. Okay, everybody. Thank you, and welcome all of our new subscribers. So first off, we're going to talk about, well, some Friskies canned cat food. Now, we've got 2 different coupons. One of them is a store coupon. Buy 5 and get 1 free. Okay? It's not buy 10 and get 2 free. It's buy 5 and get 1 free. So there's 2 different ways that you can do this. Now, if you were to pick up just the 10 cans of Friskies, I don't think this will stack. Even though it's a manufactured coupon and a buy 5, get 1, it's a store coupon. And I don't think it will stack because you will have only purchased 9 in the eyes of the earned coupon, alright? So, you're going to have to purchase 11 cans to get these coupons to stack. Otherwise, only 1 of these coupons will work. Well, that's what I'm thinking. Now, if you're in an older operating system store, they both may stack because it's been happening like that. The only way you'll know is to go give it a try. So 10 cans of these Friskies is $9.50. When you purchase 10 cans, you're going to get one of those cans for free. That's 95 cents off, okay? And that's $8.55 for 10 cans. Now, if that earn does come off in an older operating system store, you're looking at $6.93 out of pocket. Okay? And that's, an if. However, if you was to purchase 11 cans, because you buy 5, you get 1 free, you'll still be spending $9.50 because one of those cans are free. But the only thing that will be coming off will be your earn amount. So that will be $7.88 out of pocket for 10 cans of the Frisky cat food. And that's an any day deal. That's your first any day deal for Tuesday. Now on this, we're going to do the Little Caesars, okay? Home Delights or Loaf and Topper wet dog food. It's the little squares. They are $1.35, something like that a piece. Now, this is an earn for $3, but you must purchase 6. 6 of these is $9, okay? A $3 earn coming off is going to leave you a $6 out of pocket. I mean, that is a really good deal right here. And if you was to do both of these deals together, any day deal, which would be 10 cans of Friskies and 6 of the Caesar singles, you'd be looking at $13.88 out of pocket, okay, after everything is said and done. And it would be $4.62 in earns that you can spend on anything else that you want, okay? But let's say you want to go in and do a 5 off 25. Let's get you a scenario going for your fur babies. So for Saturday, we're going to add this 24 count Sheba cat food. And you're going to earn $3 because it's an earn as well. It's $14.95. Now, you're going to have your any day number 1 and your any day number 2 and your Shiba. You're at $32.50. You've got $13.57 coming off of that with your earns, okay? With your total earns. And we've got 28 items because we count the individual packs of Shiba because we know exactly how much they charge for them in the store. Okay? So a total of 28 items. That is 67 cents an item, guys. So instead of paying $1 a can or 80 cents a can or 95 cents a can or that dreaded $1.35, $1.20, we're paying 67 cents a can or the little serving pouches of our pet food. So that's your Tuesday daily deal. Let's get your math page up so you can get a visual and a screenshot. Okay, the Tuesday daily. This is the 10 cans you can see on the side, and you see my little question mark because that is, if you're in an older operating system store, you might get the earn and the 95 cent off. But if you're not and you're in a newer operating system store, you want to go for the 11 cans, okay? You out of pocket to be $7.88. That's your any day deal number 1. Your any day deal number 2 is your 6 Caesar singles for $9. You got $3 in earns coming back to you. That's $6. And if you was to do both of those deals any day of the week, $13.88. And then we've got your Saturday 5 off 25 scenario using any day deal number 1 and any day deal number 2 and adding a 12-pack of the Shiba cat food for $14.95. And as you can see, you're at 28 items for $18.93, 67 cents an item, and your total earns on this is $6 that you can spend on anything else that you want, including groceries. So there you go, guys. 2 daily deals and 1 scenario. Stay tuned. We got 2 field trips coming up. One of them is your, it's going to be our food video for the week. And you know you want to know because we all like saving money on that stuff that we eat. And we got company coming. So the more we can save, the better it'll be. Blessings.